Welcome to Bermuda, and welcome to the port of Bermuda. If you've taken a cruise, you know it well. And if you haven't, let's check it out. It's really awesome. Let's have some fun. King's Wharf, right here at the port of Bermuda. It's beautiful, and there's tons to do. From shopping, to drinking, to eating, to swimming, to jet skiing, and jumping on your shore excursion. It's all right here for the taking. A typical trip for us in Bermuda, if we're not on a shore excursion, is a stop at the Crown and Acre, a stop at the drugstore because they have a lot of fun knickknacks there. Also, the Frog and Onion for a bite to eat and maybe a drink. And then just a cruise around, really just poking around, checking out the sights and sounds of Bermuda. This is actually a new discovery. We have not visited this mall before, 4 times on Bermuda, and we found it, and it was really awesome. I loved walking through and checking things out. We decided to walk to the famous Glass Beach. Along the way, you come across this old prison. So there's some history here, and there's some pretty cool placards to read and learn that history. Also just kind of check things out. Welcome to the beautiful Glass Beach of Bermuda. We walked here. It was a little bit of a walk, and that was okay. We made it, and we did get the trolley back, so that was cool. But we spent the day, and it was great. No shore excursion. Found a place to visit on our own, and we were able to make an adventure and go find it. So hope you do the same. We'll have a full video, so stay tuned to the channel. Ah, the Frog and Onion. We love this place. The food is great. The drinks are great. There's a full tour video. There's so much more to this place that you would never think that we found just from making a video. So stay tuned to the channel. Calico Jack's. It's a must stop on the way back to the ship. You have to stop, get on the pirate ship, have a drink, take in the sights and sounds of Bermuda, and just really breathe in that Bermuda air. Enjoy it, because it's the last before you get back on your ship and head back out into sea. So, pretty awesome. And it looks like there's a new water park here that wasn't here on our last trip. So, cool to see. I hope you enjoyed our video of the port of Bermuda, King's Wharf. Don't forget to subscribe, watch that Glass Beach video, watch that Frog and Onion tour, and book yourself a trip. Get your butt to Bermuda and have a great time. Thanks for watching.